I think I was probably yelling way too much during Jaws' set. I don't know. He played Shark and I was like, I don't know. And maybe I was just saying too many inappropriate things. Either way, I lost my voice, and it's Saturday morning. I just have 2 days of EDC to go. Pray for me. There we fucking go! La 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 la. Hey, so this is day 2. It is Saturday, I think. We're headed to the Festival Base meetup. And here we go. Frisky! Rude.
I slept on the side and what's up? How you doing? What's up? Oh, hell yeah.
Like, how are you so tall?
What? Because I have boots on.
I'm like, what the fuck? When did you get this tall?
I am not. Hello?
Whoa, that's sick. I'm gonna put my green ones on. Dude, my dildo does that too. Hey, so we're at the meetup for Festival Babes. We got all the babes. This whore. We got all the babes right here. They all look hot. They're all hot. Especially this one. She's super hot.
She looks hot, she does.
Yeah, she's a fucking hottie. I'm like, fuck it.
Oh my god. No, I would throw it with you. Thank you so much for hosting the meetup.
Here's my shit.
I finally met Frisky Hug.
I love her.
There's eyes though, cat. What the fuck?
Oh, you gonna get all up in there?
All up in there.
Show me that pussy.
Motherfucker.
Oh, yelling at me! Stop yelling at me, bitch!
You want to know when we leaving, dog? You know when we leaving. You're taking a 3 o'clock shuttle. Oh, yo!
We're having a fucking great time. Hey, this is Big Ace. I love him. I don't know him. I love him. I don't know him.
Let's fucking get it, motherfucker!
We're fucking home, babe. We're living our best lives. Oh, babe. I'm over here in my eyes. I don't know what's going on, but it is fucking popping up in this bitch. It's fucking popping here. Look at this. Oh my god. There's no heart. We're all really hot. He's hot. He's hot. She's hot. He's hot. Everyone here's hot. This guy knows what's going on though. He's what's up. Look at this motherfucker.
How you doing, Frisky Hug?
I've never seen someone so fucking sexy in my life. Guys, I'm telling you, asses don't get better than this, bitches. It's so nice and not hairy like mine.
Yo, thank you, Homebass. You got
Going to breakfast and be like, strangers, dude, this guy is sleeping in the hallway. He's so fucked up. Meds waking him up, putting these cones on his head. Like, he's sick. Like, he might be dying. Like,
Oh, where's the bathrooms at? There's the regular bathroom. Where's the regular bathroom? Oh, look at my flirt. I didn't bring anything this year. I was just like, oh. I'll go to the back and I'll do a little bit and then come back out.
That was beautiful.
Hey!
Dude, Frisky Hugs.
EDC website, we'll be on there, man.
Got you.
Sign me up, front, back, side to side, up and down, what you want? What real estate do you want in here? Alright, y'all have a good night.
It's Frisky Hugs.
Orlando has been just insane and home based as well. Fuck. But this is me now, bitch.